Braylon 101 here. Welcome back to the Pistol Only Untouched Challenge. We're continuing right back where we left off in the Egypt. I blend in with this painting. Oh, Jesus, you scared me. Just kidding. Those did kind of surprise me. Pew, 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 pew. There we go. Perfect smile. Pew, wow. On the edge of tomorrow. Yeah, time to wreck these butts. Scrubs. I ain't gonna borrow anything. Funny moments. Get wrecked. Get wrecked, fool. Run. 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 Crap, the fire didn't do anything. Fight fire with fire. Old times versus old times. Nowadays versus old day. Easy as butts. Easy as pie. Yeah. Oh, and this is part 3. And if you enjoy Pixagon, be sure to like. So if you want me to do more Pixagon stuff. Because, I mean, on my original channel, y'all haven't been commenting what to play. So, I mean, I'm just pretty much, until then, I'm doing what I want. So, since y'all aren't commenting, I'm just suggesting that y'all like what I'm doing. So, I'm going to keep doing it. Whatever I want. And then one day I play like some poop simulator. And then everyone comments, no, go back to what you first did. Oh, Jesus. Get that out of here. I don't negotiate with terrorists. Terrorist. Wait, what? Yoink, this is mine. Hello? They can't come up here. Get wrecked. Get wrecked by my poutine sauce. I'm sponsoring the cute as heck cat poutine. So cute. Facebook GIF. Or, yeah. That little image video thing. Yeah. Evil piggy. Get wrecked. I don't have time to deal with little babies. Get wrecked, little baby. Protect me, my dude. Oh, hello, bye. Oh, hello, oh, bye. Time to start conserving my ammo. Mad face, or determined face. But y'all can't see my face right now, so. Hold on. Crap. What? Get wrecked. Okay, I ain't gonna get that 3rd star this time. Most likely. I'm doing my best. Well, not really. I can do better. Oh, what? Yeah, I see you. Don't think you're tricking me, my dude. Hey. What? This is not the Matrix zone. See, I told y'all they can fly. This ain't Matrix, dude. Darn, I can't get him. I got him. I got this dude. We're trapped on an island with him. This ugly pig. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to cook your brother. He forced me to. I don't like to eat. I don't like to eat pork. Good pig. Roasted pig. Huh, he just roasted that pig. Yahoo. Wait. Yahoo? Dun dun dun. Jump after me. What the? Oh yeah, so beautiful. Exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point. I like to think myself as a pretty funny person. But then there are some people that don't. And then there's not like a lot of people, but a lot of people that do. Forget it, a lot of people. Because, I mean, there's a bunch of people at school, and that's like more than 1,000. Get wrecked. Oh, get wrecked. Oh, get wrecked. Oh, my amazing dodge. I will mess you up if you challenge me on Pixel Gun. Look at what I have. And look at how good my jukes are. Look at this dude. Wait, let me get closer. Ooh. Frick. Ooh, yeah, dodge. And if multiple of y'all challenge me, area damage. I throw down a bomb or frickin' my heavy category. I know how to escape from situations and just take down the people. So don't think. I can now that I think about it, I could pretty much escape from anything. Lots of people surround me. Alright, just get my heavy category. Crap, I lost health. That's okay, that's okay. That is okay. I probably shouldn't have been messing around. Watermelon? Nom 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 nom. Was that a real enemy or just a random snow golem? Booty shot. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry, sir. Did I offend you? I don't care. I shot his thigh. Oh, are you his brother? Nobody cares about your life. Oh! Hello? Yeah. Oh, there you are, Jimmy. Or, wait, no, Jeffrey is the slimes. What's up? Yo, Steven, glad you could make it to the party. You're not gonna become like some slendy tubby boss on me, are you? And then start blasting fireballs and smashing the ground. But who am I kidding? You're not going to. Yeah. Oh, I am Jesus. Oh, I'm a titan now. Perfect scene for this music. What's up, dude? What's up, brother? What's up, ghost? Ruko? Wait, what? Cause these are ghost demons, and Ruko is a ghost demon, a demon ghost. So, am I fighting Ruko right now? Ruko, you have been possessed by the evil spirits. I mean, we're all pretty much evil, but the eviling ones, eviling. I have no idea what just came out of my mouth. It was poop. You're disgusting. No, I don't want any. Ow. Oh, wait. You just splashed water on me. Crap, What? How am I still at full armor? I thought I've been getting hit a whole bunch. Inspirational music. Oh, hey, what's up, Dingus? Dingus. There's gotta be a secret up here. I know it. Secret find fail. Crap. Crap, come on. Leave me alone. I don't want any business. Okay, I'm sorry. I just want to go to the top. Because I know there's a secret up there. There we go. What? I thought there was a secret up here. Limit to the map? Oh, see, I'm a true titan. Oh, they can shoot up here. I forgot about that. Get wrecked. Fight fire with fire. Literally. Oh my god, Jeffrey. You've been tainted by the evil air spirits. I ain't out of ammo, boy. You out of ammo. Frick. Sniper time. Oh, that did good. Is my sniper good in the underworld? Or not my sniper, my bow. Hey, it's just a sucky bow. I want to see what good it could do. Jesus, what was that? Oh god, it's dead. Dun dun dun. Oh hey. Oh my god, he became a slendy tubby. Blasting fireballs at me. You killed my. Oh no, Braylon. Wait, the pterodactyl clone of me is at 1 health. Get wrecked. Ammo. And I'm only gonna do this world. This is the last world that we're gonna do. I'm not really gonna do the next world, so get ready to say goodbye to the pistol only challenge. Goodbye. Hope y'all liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that bell for the notifications. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.